Hi, I'm Yvonne, a MUTU mama, and this time I'm gonna show you a little bit of my intensive exercises, intensive one, and just a little bit of what I like the most, which is squatting. For some reason, since I got pregnant and throughout my pregnancies and after, having done lots of pregnancy yoga, I got really used to doing squatting because it makes me feel like a lot of release and relief in my lower back, my hips, even though it's a little bit hard sometimes on the quads. But instead of folding forwards to pick up clothes or just whatever I need to do when I need to lower down to the floor, I do a squat instead of folding forwards or bending my knees. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a little bit of those exercises. I sort of isolated those from the whole intensive one because I just find it that when I remember and I'm around the house, I'm just sort of able to remember those exercises and just do them here and there instead of trying to find 20 minutes or so every day in my day. So hope you like it, and I hope you're also moving too. So that was only about 5 minutes of me doing the exercises. It wasn't the whole 20 minutes or so of the intensive one. I know this is the week of celebrating kindness, and it's a quality that I basically live for. I used to be very harsh on myself, and I was going just downhill with all my auto or self-criticism, and it was also for my children. It wasn't good. So then now I take it easy. I set up realistic small goals for myself every week, and if I don't manage to get to them, then I just ask myself, what do I need? and generally it's a little bit of more rest and me time without all the noises and the input from the world outside and the family, the needs of the boys and everyone else. So I just listen to my own needs, I'm kind to myself, and that way I can be way kinder to my children and others. So that's why I decided to extract just some of my favorite exercises from the intensive one and do them here and there around the house when I remember. So hopefully you can also do that. Be kind to yourself. Remember, we are the best, the most important priority in our life. So we need to actually do something that makes us feel nice and better. Have a nice week, and hopefully I'll see you again.